The clouds remain throughout the viewing area, and satellite radar is a little generous right now. You can see here it's showing partly cloudy, but if you step outside, it's still mostly cloudy throughout the entirety of the viewing area, but things will change. So how will that begin to affect tomorrow? Let's talk about that. Right now, Futurecast showing those clouds are going to continue to break down, leaving us with sunnier conditions tomorrow. Again, I think Futurecast is just a bit generous with this. I think it's going to be partly cloudy. I'm not putting a damper on that by saying that. Plenty of sunshine for tomorrow, though, although we will see some clouds lingering in the morning, and then come the afternoon, that's our better chance to see more sunnier conditions. Now this weekend, it's been all over social media and remains on our radar here at the Weather Center. We do have some snow moving in. This is Friday around 5 p.m. I'm not expecting this part right here to be snow right away. I think it's going to be a wintry mix as we head in. Right now, a watch warning is set for St. Louis. It hasn't reached into our viewing area yet, so that's good news. But the bad news is we are expecting to see some icy conditions headed into Saturday, where we'll start to transition over to some rain. So it's a little too far out to be talking about snow totals, but for Friday and Friday only, this does not include Saturday. Let's take a look at some rain potential. You can see here in this neon green, expecting between 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch for Friday for northern counties. This extends from Vermilion County down into Christian County, including Champaign, Piatt, Macon, and parts of Moultrie County as well. And then down here in Coles County and south, upwards about 1/10 of an inch. I would expect less than that, maybe 5/100ths of an inch for Friday. And again, that doesn't include what we could see on Saturday, as totals will really start to ramp up. Now again, a little too far out to be talking about snow, but overnight tonight, temperatures down to 21 degrees. Mostly cloudy. Those winds just starting to come out of the north, so right now out of the northwest, about 10 to 15 miles per hour, and will carry into tomorrow. But those mostly cloudy conditions will actually help these temperatures tonight. We could be seeing them drop down to teens, but since that cloud cover acts as a blanket, they're staying within the 20s. Still below freezing, so we're in for a cold night and a cold start to tomorrow thanks to these winds. Again, they're coming out of the northwest around 13 miles per hour just after noon. Again, coming out of the northwest, ushering in a cooler air mass, 15 miles per hour in Champaign, as well as Vermilion County, 11 out in Edgar County, and then out in Vigo County around 10 miles per hour. And that's what we're going to see around noon. I'm expecting these things to top out around 20 miles per hour for your daytime tomorrow. So that's where the peak wind gust sits. It's definitely going to make an impact on the wind chill as you head out the door. Look at this, 14 degrees in Charleston, 10 from Piatt out into Vermilion County. So definitely a cold day for tomorrow. So send your kids, and you as well. Make sure you have gloves, a jacket, a hat as you head out the door, and make sure you also have it as you head back home. For your daily breakdown around 8 a.m., partly cloudy skies, expecting temperatures to be below freezing around 23 degrees. And then we do start to warm up to about freezing around 3 p.m., topping out at 34. But look at the conditions. Partly cloudy. It's going to break down just a little bit, so get out and enjoy the sunshine. If you can, stand by a window, because obviously you don't want to be outside with these freezing temperatures. But then 6 p.m., that's whenever things start to take a turn for the worse as we get mostly cloudy conditions. For the next 7 days, though, obviously that snow and rain's moving in on Friday. And well, if you think that's bad, we could see that transition to snow headed into Saturday. Obviously, freezing rain, freezing conditions means some icy roads as we head into Saturday. So definitely avoid the roads if you can this weekend.